Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my page. I have some Happy Mail that I wanted to share with you. I ordered a dashboard, some planner clips, statement challenges, and I'm going to set up my planner with my new dashboard. So if that interests you, hopefully you decide to stay until the end. Alright, so let me know what's your favorite item in this unboxing. Leave that in the comments. And now I need to go ahead and add the dashboard to my cash envelope binder, my pink fluted. I decided to make this binder here since I do have the Flute dashboard, not the Flute dashboard, the Tulips dashboard. I want to make this my cash envelope system to go with my budget planner for the challenges that I do within that one. This order is from Simply Tea Plants, and I have her information in the description. And thank you for my freebies tea. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Tap the thumbs up and engage with me in the comments. All right, Bessie, have an awesome day. Toodles.